Awareness of Breath, Lesson 1. Welcome to Lesson 1 of our mindfulness journey. Thank you for making this step to invest your time to create change. First of all, the relationship you have with yourself is sacred. Give this relationship with yourself your time, and give this course your time, and most importantly, implement what you have learned into your life. Take a moment to acknowledge and accept that who you are now is just perfect. Be gentle and compassionate with yourself. Those two qualities are a must for this journey. Let's get the fundamentals right. More thinking is not better. However, your mind thinks that it is. Plus, you can't change your past, but you can change your relationship to your past. Your first task when you catch yourself overthinking is to stop yourself and to return to now, to the present moment. Once you are trapped in your obsessive thinking, your main task is to return to the present moment. There is the concept in yoga which says that you are not your thoughts. It is a difficult concept to grasp, but it is true. However, your thoughts have power. You need to respect it and decide which thought do you want to invite and which not to invite into your life. How can you do it? By taking yourself away from your thoughts to this present moment using your breath. I will ask you to simply stop and notice how your breath is traveling up and down, in and out of your body. You can't breathe in the past or in the future. You can breathe only in the now. Let's begin with a simple exercise. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. Notice how each breath feels. If it is still difficult, give your mind something to do, running commentary of your breathing in every small detail, noticing the temperature of your breath on in-breath and out-breath. How does your torso move? Is your belly involved? What percentage of you is present with each of your breaths? Move from simply observing your breath to feeling your breath. Focus on staying present with your breath. As we move through this course, remember, changing your breath is about changing your focus. By bringing loving kindness to each breath, you set the stage for a profound transformation. Ask yourself, how can I show kindness to myself right now? Obsessive thinking patterns can often lead to anxiety and stress. But by harnessing the power of presence, we can begin to change these habitual patterns. This starts with understanding our breath. Each breath communicates a different message to our body and mind. Before we can alter these patterns, we must first become aware of them. This awareness is the first subtle but powerful step towards disrupting negative thinking patterns. Key points: understand breath patterns, build habitual awareness, disrupt negative thinking. Thank you for joining me in this first step towards a calmer, more mindful you. Practice this awareness throughout your day and notice the subtle changes it brings. See you in the next lesson, where we'll dive deeper into the power of your breath. Until then, breathe mindfully and be present.